A look at our tower cam over in Gaston County. You can actually see some lights. I mean, it is overcast. There's some rain out there, but unlike yesterday, nothing was visible because it was just one of those situations where smoke just covered everything. Now, we take a look at the radar. You can see some pockets of very heavy rainfall from Mount Holly to Lake Wylie down to Tega Cay. Some very heavy pockets of rainfall there. Rain rates about an inch to almost 2 inches per hour if it rained that much. This was a lot of rainfall out there. In fact, you can see near Lake Wylie, heavy rainfall there. If it rained there for an hour, they'd have over 2 inches of rain. So be aware there's some pockets of heavy rain from Huntersville all the way down to Tega Cay, and is all tracking moving off to the east. So some of the rainfall this morning, now this is just since midnight, over 3 inches of rain at Shelby, over an inch there around Blacksburg in South Carolina, and just south of Gastonia about a half an inch, near Lincoln about an inch of rainfall. Today we have a code yellow. That is our air quality forecast, and that's mainly smoke, but nothing as significant as we saw yesterday with all the issues we had yesterday across the area. Temperatures, yes, a very, very warm morning. It's 78 currently at Wadesboro, all tied up in places like Monroe and Rockingham, Shawan, Lancaster at 77 apiece, 74 in the Queen City, mid-60s up the mountains at Jefferson, West Jefferson, and Boone. We're in the upper 80s to low 90s across the area this afternoon. Another chance of some showers and storms late afternoon into early evening. Well, there you go. We did hit the 90s yesterday. Got up to 21 days so far. The temperature has been 90 or above. We're going to be close to that today. And here we go again. We're talking about how the nation has been affected by the heat out there from California, across New Mexico, Arizona, all the way into the Mid-South. We have heat warnings and heat advisories in effect. None of that for us yet. Now, as far as any severe weather risks today, we're in that low-end category. There may be a stray strong thunderstorm or two. I think better coverage across the area tomorrow. We see a more significant chance of some strong thunderstorms tracking across the area. Then things calm down quite a bit as we get into Friday, as we approach the upcoming weekend. High temperatures today right around 94 at Cheraw in South Carolina, close to 85 at Hickory, 75 at Boone, and near 90 right here in the Queen City. We'll say upper 80s to close to 90 degrees as we check your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. Low 90s tomorrow and again on Friday. Here comes the break in the heat over the upcoming weekend. We're in the mid to upper 80s Saturday and Sunday. Back to the low 90s by Tuesday of next week. Well, yesterday it was just a mess on the highways.